Hi, we are talking about splitting transactions between accounts. So there may be an instance where you have an expense and you need to categorize it to more than one account. So let's take an example. It's really easy to do within the bank feed. Let's take this Tanya's nursery, and let's say we're a garden design firm. So we bought some plants for just for our office, for decorating purposes, and then we also bought some plants on behalf of a client. So we need to split this expense to two different accounts. So all you do is click on the line to expand it, and then go to categorize first. And down here, you'll see a split button. So really easy. The payee is always, that's the same, Tanya's nursery. And then I would just choose the two different accounts. So if we had some plants for the office, we could just put that under office expenses. And then we had some that were more like cost of goods sold. So we could just put those under cost of goods sold. And then we might put a description of, these were plants for the office, these were plants for a certain client, and maybe we could even make that billable for that client. And then the amount that we're splitting out for each account. So let's just say we're doing, for ease, we'll say $809 under office expenses and $100 under cost of goods sold. We want to make sure that these amounts have no difference. So we should have a zero difference here. You can always put a memo for the overall expense, and then you would just hit apply and accept. And that's it. So very easy to split transactions between multiple accounts, and you can even add more than two accounts. You can split it as you like.